Hi, you're welcome to Examscholar YouTube channel. In our previous video on the idioms, I promised that we are going to give a practice question, which I have fulfilled my promise. So, in order to fulfill my promise, I want us to take a rundown through these questions. So we shall be taking it. We have about 19, 20 questions here. So just watch to the end. Okay. So I want us to look at these questions. Okay, let's go. The manager told him to pull his socks up if he wanted to keep his job. This means he should A. Change his socks. B. Work harder. C. Leave the job. D. Complain less. So he should work harder. To pull one socks up means to work harder. Alright? So that is the correct answer. I'm supposed to get a pen here. Let me see if I can get it too. Alright, on to the next question. On to the next question. When the teacher entered, the student kept mum. This means that they started talking, they remained silent, they laughed loudly, they became angry. To keep mum means to remain silent. Alright? I'm supposed to have a marker. On to the next question. On to the next question. The Yeah, number 4. After failing the examination, he decided to turn over a new leaf. To turn over a new leaf. This means that he changed for better, read a new book, forgot everything, traveled away. So he changed for better. Number 5. The suspect finally spilled the bean during interrogation. To spill a bean. In our previous video, I explained the meaning of spilling a bean. So it means to cook. Is it to cook food or to become hungry, to reveal secrets or to run away? I think the correct answer is reveal secrets. Number 5, she always looks down on her classmates. She always looks down on her classmates. It means anyone who thinks he can succeed without working hard is living in a fool paradise. So to live a fool paradise means is having an illusion, or is it thinking over others are fool, or thinks work is a joke, or is insane. No, the answer is having an illusion. Number next, Kizito's money was barely enough to keep the wolf away from the door. To keep the wolf away from the door. This means that he killed a wolf? No. The money was just sufficient? No. The situation was desperate? D. He spent lavishly. The answer is he spent lavishly. To keep a wolf or to keep the wolf away from the door means to spend lavishly. He was given the boots by the chairman. This means that He was given a shoe. No. He was promoted. He was sacked. He was sent on an errand to give the boots. To be given a boot by the chairman means to be promoted. Number next means since he left home, he has been trying to find his feet. This means he has that he has been suffering, he has lost his shoe, he has forgotten his relative, and he is trying to adjust to a new situation. So being trying to find his feet means he is trying to adjust to a new situation. Number 13, after hours of questioning, he finally dashed and confessed. A. Broke the ice. No. Spilled the bean. Hit the nail. Or sit on the fence. The answer is spill the beans. After 14, after hours of questioning, he finally dashed and confessed. I think this is a repeated question. So he spilled the beans. Number 15, she didn't want to offend anyone. So she decided to sit on the spill a bean, sit on the fence, break the ice, or burn the oil. It is sit on the fence to be on the safer side. 16. The manager is very angry. You are really dashed now. Hmm. A. Hot water. You are really in a hot water. B. On cloud nine. C. In cold blood. D. Over the moon. So it is hot water, not cloud nine. 17. He studies every night. He always A. Spill the bean. B. Burn the midnight oil. C. Hit the nail. D. Break the ice. So number 18. That event happens only once in a blue moon. That is, it seldomly happen. Number 19, she explained the problem clearly and hit the nail on the head, not spilling the bean, not breaking the ice, not sitting on the fence. So hitting the nail on the head. So we have come to the end of the class activities or practice. I hope you have enjoyed this episode and I hope to see you in my next video. Please like, share, and drop your comments. I remain your teacher, your tutor, Riskat Abdul. Thank you. See you in my next video.